up, and it was like, oh, okay, I guess this is, strong, at least for right now. I do like this Disney, though. I'm going to keep an eye on it when they open it. Let's put it on the list here. Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty good. Unfortunately, these pre-market patterns, a lot of them, they're not really tight. I'm looking for anything really tight that I could trade in right at the open, and I don't see anything super.
Look at Snap.
Oh, Snap! I forgot. Snap had earnings too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at Snap. SNAP. Yeah, that's a good one too. Yeah, that's really nice. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna short hands here. Kind of like this. This is the only one that is gonna trigger. It's probably gonna trigger a level 1 on the daily. It hasn't done it yet, but
that looks good.
AMD is selling off. The market is gonna maybe trigger a level 1. We'll see.
IWM from yesterday is dropping.
Okay, so then we're probably gonna get a level. Let's say IWM is at a level 1 too. Let's see here.
No, IWM.
Oh, okay, it's inside yesterday's range, but that's nice. IWM, I definitely can think that goes lower.
Yeah, start with a bar like this. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Possibility.
AMD looks good.
Yeah, AMD looks good.
I'm at the 20 moving average here, and hopefully it doesn't do yesterday what HIMS did when it hit the 22.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking right now it just broke. It didn't break yet, but it got down to that pre-market low. So if it can shoot through that pre-market low, then I'll probably take a little stab at it.
Take a look at Apple.
Okay, yeah. If Apple's triggering like a 4-bar play or something, that would be good.
I said Apple's actually to the upside.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Interesting. There we go. I got a nice move on HIMS. Hopefully it keeps going. That was my only aggressive trade here. I just shorted because the pre-market looked good. It sold off.
Oh, Disney.
Oh, yeah.
Watch that.
Yeah.
Market's moving up. Disney's moving down.
Disney's going down, yeah. That's good. That's a good one. Let's see here. It's just broke that pre-market level, so
yeah,
you could be really aggressive and attack it, or you could wait for like a 3-bar play or something like that. See what it does here.
Shopify sitting up.
Oh my gosh, Tesla. Sheesh.
What's going on? It's going up?
Yeah, what a bar.
TSLA. Oh, yeah. Keep in mind, it's just stuck inside that channel right there at that range. So,
the only one I'm really interested right now is this.
Yeah, I like that. I think that's really nice. I think look what happened to AMD just like, yesterday on HIMS. It hit that 20 moving average, and now it's bouncing up.
Yeah.
So I have a feeling we're gonna get these channel trades here today.
Check out LNTH.
Okay. I think UPST looks really good.
LNTH.
Oh yeah, UPST looks really good. I wonder if it's gonna crack today. UPST. Very nice.
I don't see anything in the way of this LNTH. Go to the monthly. Yeah, I guess there's something like 46. But you gotta go to the monthly for that. 47, 46.
If they got monthly, I guess, in the support area.
Alright. Here we go. get this drop on hams. Come on, buddy. UPST looks great. Cracked the pre-market level, and it's hopefully breaking this daily level 2 here. It's a little tricky, but SPY is gonna probably trade today's range.
Oh yeah, UPST.
Yeah.
UPSC looks nice. I don't know why I don't have that on
Has a nice gap too.
there. Yeah.
It's just right now at a little bit at an area of support. I could definitely see this going up, but hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it goes down and triggers a nice drop.
Dang, shock is strong.
Shock is strong.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. SHLP. Yeah, that's a nice move. Got over the pre-market level, so we just need to see like a 3-bar play of some sort. It could be pretty nice.
Oh, you want the Momo BBIO?
BBIO. Okay, let me take a look. Let's see here. BBIO.
Same with HIMS.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm gonna probably add to this, but it hasn't triggered yet. And HIMS is one of those crazy ones that you never know what it's gonna do. All right, BBIO. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's into support, but I really like the pattern. Hopefully we get some follow through here. That's nice. I'll take a small stab at it. I got kind of a lot of. Okay, so now HIMS is going. Let's see if we can keep getting continuation. UPST. Let's see if we get some continuation here on these trades. I love this Disney. That looks good. Oh, AMD actually might actually find a trade through this pre-market level. Not too bad, not too shabby.
Oh, there's this. Check that.
There we go. There we go. Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for a ignored bar.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. We need some sort of, pullback to the moving average or something like that. But I think we're gonna get a little sell-off here, maybe.
That LNTH looked like he's setting up a 3-bar play too.
Yeah.
Oh my. The market completely turned around.
SPY looking like it might want to try to do this 3-bar, this level 1 maybe triggering. We'll see if it can trigger that level 1 on the daily. That'd be sweet, Go. Come on, hands. There goes Disney. Very nice. UPST, come on, a little farther, I want to see these things break down. Come on, market needs to crack. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Let's go. Here we go, hands. There we go. The market is going to break. Here we go. I think we're going to get a level 1. Come on, baby.
Yep.
more selling to occur.
LNTH looks great. Oh no, I mean, wrong one. Let's see.
Come on, we need to get this drop here. Come on.
Apple has a 3-bar play to the upside as well. I just think that first 5-minute bar is huge.
Yeah, sometimes if it's that big, you can just leave it alone a little bit.
Wait for a pullback to VWAP or something.
Yeah.
Oh, that LNTH.
Let's see, take a look. LNTH.
3-bar play.
Yeah, that's nice. Pretty good. You're looking pretty chart right there. Very nice. Here comes a AMD. Maybe. There we go. There goes HIMS. Keep going. Keep going. I think BBIO is not looking so good yet. All right. Okay. Here comes AMD. There we go. All right. Hopefully we get we get some VWAP projections here. VWAP projection would be pretty nice on these stocks. Let's see what the market's doing. Yeah, I think VWAP projection would be nice. I think HIMS coming back up to the VWAP, in about 15, 20 minutes or something would be pretty good. I think these sell-offs. There we go. Come on, HIMS. Keep going. On HIMS, you get down to like 50 first. And then, oh, you know what? Now I'm looking at HIMS is at support, at an hourly support level. Ooh, at 53. So I'm going to
oh, check out FlyW. Shock gap.
which one?
FlyW. Shock gap and
Like
3-bar.
FLYW?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to take a look at something crazy? Look at UPST. I think it's gonna keep going here. Okay, so FLYW, FLYW. Oh, wow, yeah, I got a good sell-off.
Shock gap and 3-bar play.
Yeah, that's nice. That is nice. All right. Took a little partial here on HIMS because I'm seeing them to the left. They got support. I think the SPY is going to try to stay inside yesterday's range here. But we'll see what happens. That FLYW, yeah, let's see it clear this level, this 3-bar play here, and then close.
Yeah.
Close strong. And I'll probably take the next, Momo bar, knowing that like, hey, we got continuation probably.
Yeah.
Like AMD's coming down to the opening range that it put in, that 5-minute opening range, but I don't know, it looks tricky right now. We're waiting for some green bars to come in, to give us little bit more idea of where support is on things.
Check out BLMN, which is ball and water downside.
BLMN. Holy cow! And that started with not even an amazing gap up. I mean, gap down. It was just a little gap, you know.
Yeah.
That didn't even go on my radar. So yeah, this one's great. You can get a little pullback. Is this one? How much does this one cost to short though? Yeah, because this is the cheap stock, you know.
No, zero. It's
Zero?
easy to
Okay.
borrow.
Well, then I think this is actually a very ideal looking short.
I'm gonna pop this in here.
Yeah, because if we can pop back up to like a little moving average and stay underneath that $7.30-something area, and I think we got possibly a great short on our hands later down the road. Also, maybe even a climactic to the upside if it never even does the pop, right? I mean, here comes Disney. That looks pretty nice.
Yeah,
Bar play.
This is another one that looks kind of nice, but it's kind of going to the 200. It's LFMD.
LFMD. Okay. LFMD. Oh, that is nice. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, at that little area of the 200, but yeah, great little pattern right here. Looks like AMD is trying to go down. That's fascinating. Wonder if it will break underneath opening range and sell off. HIMS is still going, so that's good. If it actually breaks HIMS, yeah, okay. Okay.
I got an order for this under the low.
Yeah, that looks pretty nice.
Okay.
Pretty good, pretty good. That 3-bar play looks pretty nice. Got a 3-bar play here on HIMS. And AMD is trying to take out the low here. We'll see if it does it. Could be the bottom. Guess we'll know in a little bit.
But the market is just choppy.
Yeah, I have a feeling the market's going to try to stay inside this yesterday's bar, you know.
Yeah.
Kind of like, you know, when we see those intraday trades, and, you know, it gets up into the moving averages, and then it, like, you're waiting for it to trigger, and it doesn't trigger for, like, days. Or, sorry, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you're just waiting, and finally it triggers. It's probably what kind of the similar situation's going on. But knowing that, I think, you know, or having that idea kind of makes trading in a way, you know, you kind of get, oh, okay, maybe I'll take basically level ones instead of momentum trades today. You know, we'll look for pullbacks, take pullback trades, that kind of thing. Oh, I like this UPST. It's a lot better than I thought. And there we go. Come on, let's keep going. Let's go. Yeah, the LMFT. Okay, we're getting a bounce on that at BLMN.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Yeah. UPST looks great for maybe possible downside.
Oh, HIMS. Very nice.
Yeah, that's just from using yesterday's date, you know, realizing that, you know, just basically almost like a swing trade idea. You know, like, hey, yesterday had this big topping tail, so maybe today's going to be the day that it breaks underneath it, keeps going. My only problem with him is can't get it doesn't pull back, so maybe I gotta wait for it. But I think the idea of it staying red today has a good high odds, so I'm just waiting on this move. I'm still in it. and I took a partial just a second ago, and we'll see what the rest does. Fun for a little pullback. If we get a little pullback, then up into the VWAP or something like that, that'd be pretty nice. Let's see, the market's trying to push higher. You know what? That brings me to the thought of Tesla. I wonder, so if Tesla was inside yesterday's range and pushing up, I wonder if it's going to basically, it broke yesterday's range, but it's going into all those moving averages. Ooh, I don't know. I kind of think this is a short. Yeah, breaking up into all those moving averages. Okay. And then triggering a short right here off of level 1 off the 2 minute. Just a little scalp right here for fun. There we go. Hims, come on, buddy. Keep dropping. There we go. Nice level 1 off that 2 minute chart on Tesla, knowing that it's going into resistance. Did a little scalp here to the downside. Hims. Let's see how much farther Hims is going to go today.
UPST about to trigger.
Let's take a look. Okay, UPST. Okay, yeah, nice. Yeah, that looks great. All right. Okay. Here we go. Jesus. I'm going to take another partial, I think, on Hims pretty soon. We're at slightly underneath support. Maybe, Alright.
VVIO
Alright.
maybe going up down.
Yeah, I love this UPSC. I like that it's underneath yesterday's, that pivot now. It would be crazy though if it's kept selling off, because this is a big move, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay, Hims. So AMD can't break the pivot low yet, but I think AMD is just stuck in a range right now. LMFD, that one that you mentioned. Oh, what was the one that you mentioned that was selling off pretty hard? That was a penny stock. I wonder if that popped up yet.
BLMD.
Yeah, BLMD. Let's see. Oh wait, no. What is it?
BLMN. I'm sorry. BLMN.
Okay, so that, now we're getting a little bit of retracement on that. So maybe to look for a short up into the moving average or VWAP here.
Oh, check out this one. EOLS.
EOLS. Okay. EOLS. That's pretty nice. That's great looking chart. EOLS.
Yeah, it was a nice level 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice.
Wow.
Good gap.
That base. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that level 1 is gorgeous. Wow. Okay.
Let's see how it's level 2 for.
Alright, here we go. UPST, come on, baby. Let's get it underneath here. Yeah, the level 2 here on EOLS could be pretty nice. I think Hims pulling back to the VWAP now.
Oh, UPST just triggered in.
Yeah, me too. It looks pretty good. So we can get some continuation here. There we go. I'd love to see it down near 70. That'd be insane, but it's possible. Such a big move already. But, oh, you know what? Let's see. No, I think 70's doable. It had a... Yeah, here we go. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Come on.
Should I shoot Shopify?
I don't know.
I'm gonna take a Momo style entry on this one right here.
On which one? On UPSG?
EOLS.
Oh, EOS. Okay. Yeah, that was good. Shopify. SHOP. Ooh. I don't know. I don't think it's extended, like counter trend wise, but it did trigger a level 1 just now.
Oh, check out FUN. The VWAP bouncer here.
FUN, okay. FUN, fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That is pretty nice. Shop, you could trade it short if you wanted to do a little counter trend trade here, but it's not extended, not climactic. It's just you'd be playing the idea that it's a big gap. Yeah, that fund looks great. A great gap too. EOLS, I think is gonna do it. Let's see here. Let's see here. What's the market doing? Market's trying to stay inside yesterday's range. ALAB, what's going on with ALAB?
I'm in EOLS. It triggered me in at 10.
Nice.
My stop is all the way up there.
Okay, yeah, that's a good spot for sure over the pivot. Very nice, very nice.
Disney's pulling back very nicely. This might be a nice VWAP play off the 8.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, that's I'm looking at that too. I love the momentum to the downside first, and then we're just coming right back up to the VWAP. That's pretty nice for sure. See if we can get this continuation. Oh, this is nice. Okay, come on UPSC, let's go. Take us down to 70. Pretty nice. Tell you one thing, if the market falls over, then we're gonna have a lot better luck on all these things. Oh, fun just triggered. There we go. Come on. All right. Here we go. Come on, fun. More time for fun. I went in without knowing how much the fees are, so hopefully that doesn't screw me up here.
There's no fee for fun.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's got a nice pattern.
Is this thing looking better?
Which one?
This thing?
Oh, yeah, Disney, yeah. Interesting. EOLS, looking okay. I like it. Might get out of UPST here, just for right now. Re-enter it on a Momo style instead of a, where it's at. I think it needs a little bit more confirmation, especially since the move is already quite huge. But But I think it all in all, it probably stays underneath the VWAP for the most part. Oh. Come on. Wow. Can't get filled. I tried to. You try to get filled on fun?
Yeah, it's Phil, man.
That's annoying. I went in smaller and I tried to add and I cannot get filled. Let me try smaller shit.
Orders in for this.
There we go.
Here comes Disney.
Alright, here comes Disney. Maybe, we'll see.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on this UPS people now.
That's a good idea, right? Good management right there.
Yeah.
I'm out of the EOLS.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, yeah, pop back up. Or,
Yeah.
oh, it's just going sideways right now?
Well, that bar by bar took me out. So I got in Momo style, a little poke through.
Yeah, that's a
I'm
good
gonna
idea.
cancel my order on this and wait for another setup.
Good idea. Yeah, Disney looks like it wants to go up. Still really like this LMFD thing that you pointed out today. This is really nice. There we go. It's triggering through. Yeah, just wait for Disney to get back into that 20-period moving average and we'll see.
Which one are you talking about? LNPH or?
LSMD.
Oh, LFMD, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's trigger level 2.
Yeah. Fun's going really nice. That's great.
One bit. UPS team may trigger 3 ball.
Yeah, I like that. It's pretty nice. There we go. Three-bar play looking great. Yeah, sometimes these stocks just need a little bit more time where they work.
Yeah. Disney's still going up.
Disney's still going up. Yep. If the next bar takes out this bar though, then I'll go short on it. I think. We'll see. Fun looks great. I think fun goes back down to the low of day. Disney, we'll see what Disney does here at this VWAP here, 20-period moving average. Oh, take a look at this Wix, W-I-X. W-I-X. Ooh, that looks like a shock gap. That's pretty nice. Oh, okay. My next favorite one is gonna be Hims. I think up in this. Okay, I like Hims coming back up. Yeah, there we go. Disney's rejecting. It's nice. So here we go. Maybe a level 1 on Disney. Fun, I think, might have found some support here. We'll see. Alright, Disney's rejecting. Maybe. Okay, Ham's coming back up. Interesting. I'll wait for him to give me a level 1 and try a short there. AMD is trying to go higher. Let's do HIMS. Very nice. Pulling back up. The market's going up. Let's see, what's Tesla doing? Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. Kind of like this AMD here for a short. Take it with a smaller risk, maybe. If it gets underneath all these bottoming tails.
My order's in for this.
Yeah, Disney's pretty good. I don't like that 8 is underneath it now, but I've seen it many times, where it doesn't matter that the 8's underneath it.
Does that mean you're gonna break your lower?
I'll do it with smaller risk if that's the case, because I've seen it work many times, But I do agree that it would be nice if it was underneath the 8. So what I could do, I could just wait for the bar to break underneath the 8, and then, SMCI, guys, look at that, that's nice. SMCI looks great. Oh my gosh, okay. That looks beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice one. HIMS looks great. Glad we got out of that UPST.
Yeah. Come on, fun.
Is that SMCI? I like that.
Yeah, that's so far my favorite one right now. Pretty good. Just gotta get underneath that little pivot there. And
I'll join you if we close underneath the pivot.
yeah. Alright, HIMS looks great. There we go. Come on, HIMS. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if we get this move. SMCI.
Dang it, fun coming back to my entry.
Oh, let me take a look. Yeah.
With that EOLS might be setting up again the level 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cancel my order on this. That VWAP held, and now we're moving back.
Yeah.
It looks like he wants to go test
The 20, yeah.
And I'm not gonna take a short up there, but SMCI on the other hand is looking good. Look, I could probably close.
Yeah. SMCI is great. I got in that a little earlier, so now if it gets closed underneath there, I'll add to it. Come on, let's go. I'm also, this LFMD, pretty nice here. It looks pretty good. I think AMD looks good too. Tried to go higher a couple times and I think it's failing. Yeah. Here we go. AMD's crossing down. Very nice. Come on.
morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm in Apple, almost close to my position.
Okay. Gotta tell us and earlier.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's
You
not.
always call us and just tell us that you're in, so you gotta tell us so we can.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Because I'm trying to focus. Oh, okay. Close my close at 2:10:72.
It's fun to even start me out on this candle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got out break even. As soon as it
Which
came
one?
back up. Fun?
Which one you got out?
Oh, fun. It's called fun.
Oh,
Fun. But it's not fun.
Not
That's
fun
not fun.
anymore. It was fun earlier.
It was fun when it looked like it was working. And it did work. It
did work,
did work
yeah.
to a little degree.
Yeah.
I'm
SMC.
watching Google to sort if a break yesterday slow.
Okay.
Do you guys see AMD short?
I did. Yeah, I'm in it.
Oh, good.
EOL thingy. EOLS?
TOLS?
ELS?
EOLS.
P or T?
E from earlier?
Oh, okay. There we go. Come on, SMCI. Let's do it.
SMCI. Jump into that mobile.
Yeah, this is great. This is working. This is a beautiful, beautiful setup. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Come on, baby. Okay. You could do if you really wanted to do it, you could do a Disney short. It's probably not the most ideal spot. If I were you, I probably wouldn't do it. But it's at the 20, and the pattern looks great. You know, it's just unfortunate that it's above the VWAP, so I could see it just basically chopping around for a little while. But I'm gonna try it. Actually, I'm gonna try it small.
Do you guys watch Sharp?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Come on. All right, I tried Disney. I'm trying Disney. Small amount. And I'll add to it if it works. But right now, I know that it's most likely going to bounce at this moving average. So if it does come back, I'll just get out break even.
Yeah, I'll do a Momo style, and I don't know if I should do that.
Oh, Momo style.
I might just wait for a pause or something like that.
Yeah, wait for like a 3-bar play underneath those areas. I think is a good idea. I just like the pattern a lot. I like that it has a sequential pullback with no pauses. So I'm just thinking maybe I could get it like halfway down the move, you know?
Yeah.
LNTH.
LNTH. Let me take a look.
You guys watch Google? Looks like one of break yesterday slow.
I'm going to take a partial on Disney, actually, just in case it becomes a nightmare. Right here. Okay, Disney's working a little bit better than I expected. Okay, nice. SMCI to me is my favorite so far. It's working good. Has nice momentum. Very similar pattern yesterday to BKTX, if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
Similar situation. Hims looking great. If anyone wants to try Hims, I think Hims is a pretty good short
That's your
right here.
favorite.
Yeah, right now. Well, look at the daily. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
You can try you or a Momo. You.
I know, I saw you in the morning.
All right.
Freaking hell, man. Everything this is like make scalping that would be pretty good, but
Yeah, the scalping seems to be. Look at this. SMCI coming back up.
I'm holding on to trade and they just go back against me every single time.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, I just got out of SMCI here. So, you just gotta let, the chart tells you, hey, get out,
Yeah.
Whereas I'm in AMD short, chart hasn't told me to get out just yet. Still going.
Hopefully this checks VWAP, closes green, and I'll
Yeah,
keep
that'd be very nice if it does.
SMCI looking big, I think.
Yeah, maybe I'll jump back in. Maybe this just little shakeout bar was a little bit too soon to get out because of that.
Here we go, TA. Here we go. At EOLS. Maybe this is it right here.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. Look at that. Very nice.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Look at UPSC, guys.
Yeah, finally.
I think we're going to get down to that 70. Him's looking great, too. What the heck is, what? What's going on? Okay. Here we go, UPST. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's do it.
I want to see it down at 70. One big drop. It's good. Come on, AMD. Keep going. Keep going. AMD's at a pivot, so I'm a little cautious right here. Taking a partial here into this pivot. See? To the left. Just in case.
Yeah, you got the rising 20 on the daily as well.
Yeah. Alright, UPST is going. Come on, here we go.
Finally.
Let's see it down at 70. Yeah, come on, baby, come on. Down at 70, down at 70. I think SMCI is I got out of Disney. Break even here.
If it triggers ignore board, I'll take it. That'll look really good.
Yeah.
You would have held. We'll see. We got about a minute before it closes here.
Okay, AMD looking a little bit better. Let's see if hopefully it doesn't do a new low failure. And it keeps going.
There, the Google. Watch Google, guys.
Google.
Nice. Yay!
Oh yeah, Google has a level 1 possibly forming on the daily. That's a very, yeah, that could definitely trigger a sell-off, especially in the market if you know, because Google has a lot of weight there.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting. It's right there, right at that level 1. Hem's looking great for a 3-bar play to the downside off of a level 1 as well, like level 1 / 3-bar play in the process. Same with Disney looks a lot better now too, because it's going to be, if it triggers, it's going to be underneath the VWAP now and the 8, so that'll be pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm ready to take it at 113.59.
Yeah, my only consideration with Disney is just, well, I'm wondering why.
It's gonna trigger. It'll trigger a 15-minute level 1 as well.
Yeah,
Midday, not the midday, but nice sell off VWAP on a 15.
yeah. Ooh, AMD is now crossing through. Okay, so
I know.
it took my partial and now it just keeps going. Let's see if we get a nice move here. I think right here, low of day is a good idea to take a partial right here. And then,
market coming back down again.
anyone get hymns with me? This is
I
looking really nice. That's textbook right there,
Yeah.
and daily textbook too.
just trigger me in 3-ball play.
Nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, AMD. Holy cow.
I know.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't even think this was that great of a setup when I did it. I was like, well, it's above. The only thing I liked about it is the fact that all the moving averages were kind of hugging price. So you can see that it's, how Oliver Velez says, a narrow state, wide state. It was like, okay, this is a narrow state, which usually produces wide states. And then I also like that, you still had the 8 and the 20 in alignment, but I didn't like the fact that it shot up as high as it did. Oh, here's Google.
Mm-hmm. Did you get it?
No, I'm in too many shorts. I don't want to add another stock to my short, because if I'm in HIMS, AMD, UPST, there's just too many. If I add Google and then the whole market decides to shift and go back up, I'm going to lose every single trade. So, and then there's A-Lab that I was thinking about going long, but that's pulling back right now. Hims looks great. What happened to fun? Oh my god!
I
Wow!
know, right? Fun is not fun anymore.
Wow! So you never know. Oh, here's SMCI. You can re-enter here if you really felt like it.
It just triggered me back in.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I think I might join you, but it doesn't look bad. Let's do a small risk, because I don't want to give back everything. Oh, LFMD looks really good, guys. If it can see how it's been fighting the low here to try to not die.
Yeah.
If it breaks underneath there, we could wait for which one?
PRCH.
All right, PRCH. Okay. If LFMD gets underneath this pivot here and closes, then I'll go in, because it had a couple bottoming tails earlier, so I'm a little worried about just jumping in. I'm going to try to hold on to HIMS down here. I'm just going to put my stop at break even now. So if HIMS decides that it wants to get underneath the low of day, AMD is producing a wide range bar, so usually this is a good spot to take a partial.
Wow, your AMD. Perfect.
Right? Pretty good. Well,
Good
today's
job,
been really,
Jason.
yeah. Oh, thanks. Yeah, today's been pretty good. I had one break-even trade on UPSC and one break-even trade on Fund, and a small loss on LFMD. But other than that, oh, and a break-even trade on Disney. But everything else, SMCI worked a little bit. HINS is working. AMD's working. UPSC's working again for me. And HINS was the best one so far for the day, I think. Oh, maybe AMD actually, now that I think about it. Disney looking better, guys. Look at that.
Yeah.
Consolidating underneath the VWAP now and looking good. Let's just hope it, cracks underneath that. Oh, AMD. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna move my stop loss down bar by bar. Anyone do AMD as well?
No.
No, unfortunately.
Oh, dang.
Too many trade already, that's why.
Oh, yeah, I understand. Yeah, I get it. Oh my gosh, we're almost at 70 on UPSC here.
Nice.
Oh, market's dropping, so that's helping. That's probably why everything's finally going. And I wonder if the market's doing a level 1 here to the downside. Let's see. SPY. No, it still hasn't triggered a level 1, so that's interesting. It might try to stay inside today's range. AMD is a lot of bars down now, so
yeah.
I'm expecting a pullback to the mirror zone, maybe, So we'll see. I might call it a day after this and then go and then come back a little later.
Yeah.
SMCI is going. I'm going to move my stop loss on SMCI now to the top of this bar, which is like a 2-minute level 1 essentially.
Dang, I thought about going long on Fund too because that's strong ball.
Yeah, let me see.
Fund.
When it broke the VWAP and closed or something?
Yeah.
That's tricky. Yeah, I mean that's hindsight for you for sure. But I mean, look at the 2-minute. You could possibly see a 2-minute transition trade right there at 10:22.
Yeah.
I wouldn't find fault in that if that's was something that you were gonna do. 10:22, 2-minute transition. It's just not something that I'm good at.
Yeah.
Especially since if it fails on me, then I think, why did it fail on me? Maybe I need to go short on it, And then I basically just chop myself up on a stock. There's definitely got to be like some sort of amount of times you can try something before it's probably just not a good idea to try it anymore.
Right.
And but were you able to get out Fund break even like me, or were you?
No, I think I let it go a little bit further.
A little bit farther. Okay, I understand.
Actually, you're above the VWAP.
Oh crap.
So
Okay.
Almost one all loss on that one.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
Okay, that sucks. Yeah, because it had the level 1, triggered really nice, and then went down, came back up. It's funny. I went into it smaller risk at first, and then I wanted to add, and it would not. The platform would not let me add.
I see. That's
I kept trying to press the sell button, and I had to cancel it after I'd wait there for 10 seconds. It wouldn't give me get an order. So it's kind of a blessing in disguise in a way, because I think if I would have added, then I might have had a small half an hour loss on this, just as it was coming back up. But because my cost was up towards the 22.90 something, 92 whatever, when it took out that 5-minute bars high, I was able to get out. Okay, here's the pivot on HINS at the low.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I should take a partial here or if I should just hold on. Currently up almost 10R now.
Nice.
Yeah. Trying to get that 10R consistency, every day. I can. But it's I got a that shouldn't be my objective, obviously, but just trade what the chart tells me. But I'm thinking that based off, look at Disney. Oh, it's good that we never got in. Look at there, didn't triggered the level 1, and then that failed, just like we kind of predicted that the 8 was underneath it.
Yeah.
So that was more of a, hey, let's just try this. Pattern looks good, and then it goes to show you that it's not always the pattern. Sometimes it's the location and everything. So honestly, underneath the 113.60 it would be beautiful for this stock, but I don't know if it's going to happen today. Now, what's going on? We'll see. SMCI is still going very slow and grindy. All right. I just got out of UPST. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. AMD as well, so that's the only one I think is SMCI and HIMS. We'll see if those keep going. I think I maybe mismanaged this UPST. Because immediately after it took me out, now it's going left.
A level 1, so I don't thought you were getting out of that one.
Yeah, and it produced a level 1 on a 2-minute, and then it went even higher. So then I'm like, oh, okay.
Check out Fly W.
Okay, Fly W. FLYW. I'm gonna take Disney off my charts for a little bit. FLYW. But put an alert. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that VWAP projection right there.
Yeah. I jumped in on that level 1 at the 8.
Oh my
and
gosh.
Nice. Down.
And now you're at the pivot low.
Yeah, to take a partial.
Beautiful. Yeah, take a partial here. And then, especially the amount of bars you got in a row.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's nice. I remember you mentioning that earlier, and see how it broke on that 3-bar play it had?
Yeah.
I was just waiting for the next bar to get underneath. I was waiting for that.
Yeah, that level 1 wasn't the best, but Jason usually get in right here, so I'm like, let me jump in.
Nice. Yeah. Just think about what I would do, right?
Yeah.
And then hey, look it's working. I was gonna short that 3-bar play, but I wanted to see, because it's a gap up.
Yeah.
I wanted to see a strong close, and look, it never it didn't do a strong close.
Yeah.
And then it did do a strong close, and I took it off my radar. I didn't even think about it, but yeah, that pullback to the VWAP was beautiful, level 1, and then you get the target right here, and then from there, I mean, you got room all the way down to the 200 period moving average, which is $11.19. I think it's possible that you're going to go there. If I was a degenerate gambler, I would jump in here. You know what I'm saying? Because I wouldn't have any rules. I would just jump in.
I mean,
it's too many bars. Yeah,
too many bars. But maybe in the long run, it's maybe.
I mean, I still think it's gonna go there. I won't do it because it breaks my rules. It's like jumping in right here short on HIMS.
Yeah.
It's like, you don't want to jump in at the even if it works, even if I look back later at HIMS and HIMS is down like another 4 or 5 bars, that's awesome. But that's a randomness to what normally would happen.
Yeah.
That's not normal price action.
Yeah.
Especially remember that ChatGPT thing? It says what's a normal amount of consecutive bars?
Yeah.
After you get what was it? 3 bars, it goes down substantially. All right. Well, I am done with SMCI. I think I'm not good at managing these types of grinders.
Unfortunately, I'm down slightly for the day.
Oh, damn.
Just put 2 off, so it's not bad.
Okay. What was the main one? Was it the fund?
fun. Let me see. Give me one sec. I have a few losses. That's kind of sad. EOLS actually my biggest loss.
OLS, let me take a look. I think I did that one with you. Can you follow it down?
Yeah, I think Diana also.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
I lost almost a full R on that trade.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
I took it 2 times.
I took it two
Oh,
times.
you did? Okay.
I took it 2 times. I lost the over and all on that
Oh, crap.
one. Yeah. And
Well, you know something we could notice about this one is that it started off a nice drop, came back, rejected the VWAP pretty beautifully, right? That was the trigger right there, that rejection at the VWAP, whereas the low of day trigger was sort of a chasing trade, you know?
yeah.
It had already moved from the top of the pivot to the bottom of the pivot.
Yeah. Now
I
just
didn't think about that, but I shorted a little bit, and I was thinking, okay, let's see, and then I just got out over that, I think it was a 5-minute or 2-minute.
yeah. There's just no follow through on this one. That's all.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
share sized it for 2 bars though, so I basically barely lost anything because my stop loss was up at $6.61
Yeah. What's
due to the size of the pivot,
Yeah.
you know.
And another the second biggest loss for me is SSRM.
SSRM. Hold on, I'm getting out of hands. All right, I'm all out of hands. I'll revisit it later.
Yeah. Could be a nice level one back to the 8.
Yeah,
Considering
Yeah,
how
totally.
strong M is on a daily.
I think it. Yeah, I think back up. You know, if it comes back up again, good short, possibly.
Yeah.
But I'm out of everything now. So I think I'm gonna take a break, come back a little later, maybe set some alerts like EOLS and LFMD.
Yeah.
Hopefully AMD, that was the right spot to get out because it continues to maybe look like it's going to go down, but now it's looking like maybe that was the right spot. I was thinking that AMD will eventually come back and retest this little pivot, like as a mirror zone, like 162.21 or something. So, but oh yeah, just remember what just a second ago I said it's like shorting HIMS breaking through the low of day, right?
Oh, look at
Any
him.
person that shorted HIMS is like now sitting underwater. Just now, if they shorted HIMS right at the low of day, that was not the smartest move.
Yeah, Hem's that level 1 works great. Look at that pull
Yeah.
back to the 8. I should have done that.
Yeah, you could. I mean, one day you could literally just say, "I'm just gonna be a level 1 scalper," and that's all you do is just aim for 1 bar, look for extensions in one direction or another, and just just do it. I mean, I did that on Tesla just for fun. Let's see what it did. Yeah, I mean, I just did a level 1 on Tesla for 1 bar on a 2-minute chart.
Man, SMC gonna keep going. Don't tell me it's gonna be a blinder today.
I'm not good at those, so I don't want to watch it because I'm
Basically,
gonna be so upset that it did it.
yeah, basically a
Oh
blinder,
my
you just need
gosh.
to follow the moving average.
I know, and that's the thing is I don't know that in advance.
Right.
So I just sort of manage based off of how I manage every trade.
Yeah.
So I don't know that I should change my management based off of this stock because who knows? I didn't know that it was going to do that. But yeah, it's had one level 1, another level 1.
Yeah.
So 2 level 1 since it's dropped through that level 2. So I have no, I didn't know, you know.
Yeah,
Same
Shopify
with
is also my loss. Look at Shopify, also a loss for me.
Let's see, Shopify, SHOP.
I took a long, that's the high.
Whoa,
I should have
wait a
waited.
minute. Why? Why'd you do that?
I should have waited. I was being impatient and just wait for the close rather than jump in on the break.
Okay, so what time did you get into shop? Just so I understand, you got.
At that 9:45, 9:40, 9:45, yeah.
9:45. Okay. 9:40. Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're thinking like, hey, I see this little bit of a consolidation here.
Yeah, this
Some inside bars. I'm going to take the high. And
This
there was
is-
no red bar really yet.
this would be not yeah. And I think I try again one more time when it came to the 8 and I just break down. Damn it.
Yeah. And look what happened. Look at the best setup right here is off the VWAP.
We have to be what Enerphone.
Yeah, pull back right there. There's your level 1. Plenty of nice little small doji bars and nothing triggered above it. The only thing that's a little tricky is that it tried to pull back to the level 1 at the 8 and failed.
Yeah.
So makes me wonder or not if this is going to be more than just a 1 bar event on shop. But like I was saying, one day you could just be a scalper and just go level 1 all the time and just take one. That LFMD triggered underneath the low, but I'm not jumping in yet. I'm going to wait for it to close strong because look how many bars it took before it got to that area. But the gap is really beautiful. Oh, look at that. I'm so glad I didn't jump in. It's probably going to pop right here. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody that jumps into these lows of days after too many bars in a row gets totally.
This one is below the 8, so I don't know. Could be a good scout to the upside.
Damn. Oh, ANET. Wow. Okay. ANET. A-N-E-T. That's all too many bars up in a row before to jump in as well. That's annoying. I hate this.
Wow, Google bounced back to the VWAP.
Yeah. It never triggered the low? Oh, it did trigger. Wait. Did it trigger underneath yesterday's low? Let me
It
see.
did, yeah. It did.
It did. Oh. So.
You could have got out break even,
Oh yeah. Yeah. Totally. For sure.
but knowing me, I would take a loss.
Yeah. Well, if you know that, then you gotta change it.
Yeah.
You gotta change the vibe. Change your system because you don't want to. If your management is not in alignment with with winning, then but your entries are great. If you find out your entries are great but your management sucks, then you gotta change that.
Yeah.
Or vice versa. Maybe your management's really great. Maybe you hold on to really, really well through things, but your entries are like chasing entries.
Consider the management on UPST and SMCI. Oh
Yeah.
my god, and you right now?
Yeah, I kind of screwed it up on this UPSC and AMD.
How you doing today, Diana?
I'm doing great.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I make 1.5, 1.5 off, $150.
You need to make 10 on, man.
Oh,
I know. I'm gonna increase my off if I can make, like 10 days.
Increase what?
that's a great idea. Yeah, like a practice. Deanna, how are you going, man?
I think he's on mute.
Oh, okay.
Diana.
Take a look at DAWS, John.
DAWN?
Yeah, DAWN, Don.
Oh, okay.
That's another one. Just so many bars to the entry. But the cool thing is, if it continues to go down and then you get a retest of these areas, that could be pretty nice.
Another stuff that I went in is WIX, WIX, the one you mentioned.
Oh yeah.
Just to write that level 1 down. I kind of miss.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah. That's really nice. Very nice. Yeah, I was actually, Wix, I was waiting to go and see how Wix broke underneath, had this red bar, nice big red bar at 950. I was willing to do a Momo underneath that. And it never triggered on the next bar, and so I just said, leaving this alone, and then look, pulls
Yeah.
back up. It's very similar to that other stock that I was
Yeah.
going to do a memo on as well.
Flying W.
Yeah. So that's a great example of just, you just don't take you gotta wait for, sometimes these level ones are way better. Way better.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, no, that one I did figure like that. This is Jason is something Jason would take. Because I normally don't pick this trade even though, it's going, but I just don't
What?
I don't like
Yeah,
the choppiness from earlier.
I get
So
it.
I normally don't take it, but now like I see you took so many of them. This works good for like a couple bars. I'm like, I'm gonna do it.
Totally. Yeah. I mean, VWAP is a great, very powerful tool.
Yeah.
It's, to me, I think if I was gonna have to get rid of all my moving averages,
Just leave the VWAP.
I would just, and even candlesticks. If someone says you gotta get rid of all candlesticks and you can only use a line chart, and they said but you get to keep, I would say VWAP. Because
Oh man, I don't know how you could trade with the line stick chart actually.
I don't know how either. I think that would be very difficult.
Yeah.
But I do think that you would still have good win rate with the VWAP by basically taking trades off the VWAP with a little bit of room.
Yeah.
You would have to anticipate because you don't have any bars. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I would be fine to get rid of volume. I'd be fine to get rid of, all the moving averages and just have VWAP and candlesticks, and I probably could still do well. Because today, when I took HIMS, I wasn't paying attention to the volume. If I looked at the volume, I actually probably wouldn't even think that level 1 was good because the volume was high on the way up. It wasn't even that. It wasn't like, how they say, oh, you want the volume to be.
What the heck? Look at
lower.
Yeah, look at AMD, man. Still going down.
I know. I really and look at SMCI, still going down too.
Yeah, I was in that too. Yeah.
But I mean, look, the pullback on HIMS, that volume is actually high compared to the sell-off. There's actually just as much volume on the upside as there was on the downside. So it's like, is it really? I do see the textbooks and they say, oh, you want the volume like this and that. But the only time I really, really think about volume all that much, I mean, obviously it would be great to see the volume drop as it pulls back up. That would let me know that the buyers are weaker. But honestly, I think the only time I really use volume really, really religiously is on climacticness, or when something breaks out and it ignites, to see that the volume comes in. But other than that, I think it's called pro and novice volume, that they call it in the Pristine method.
Yeah.
And Sammy even says the other types of volume he doesn't even really pay attention to. HIMS looks like a pivot, so I think getting in here at the low and putting your stop above this new pivot is not a bad idea. AMD, man, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it just go grinding. Oh my goodness.
Yep, AMD.
We need a team, man. We need a team to just
Start a hedge fund.
Yeah.
Make a couple million every day. Oh, look at this LFMD is breaking now the low. It's a lot better. Still want to wait for it to close strong. All right, so I'm pretty much done for the day, but I'm gonna try one fun little, scalp here on AMD. It's gonna be a counter trend trade, but I want to see it go a little further because it's got. Look at how many bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's enough bars down for me to want to take it.
Here's another one you can do. NEM.
NEM, is that going climactic too?
No, it's grinding up, but it looks like 6.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, it could be a nice short.
Yeah, especially if I'm just aiming for one bar.
Yeah, one bar. Yeah.
Here's that LFMD is actually triggered now underneath the low, and if it closes, you can take the next bar.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're gonna have surgery next week.
Oh,
What happened?
Spain.
Oh,
you're doing this. Yeah,
That's scary, huh?
no. No.
No?
you'll be okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good.
The procedure is pretty common nowadays.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think you'll be fine. I think you'll be good.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully. All right, look how many bars down on AMD now.
I think AMD is bottom right here.
Oh, check
Because
out.
support is,
AMD's bottom right here, and then it goes down to nothing.
I know.
Well, let's see. We got.
Because
Yeah.
my support is at 158.40.
Then you're not supposed to think in the market. You just have to react to what the market gives you.
No. I have my support is 158.40. Let's see what happened.
158.40. Well, it says 158.23 now. So support is.
What?
So it breaks the support.
Support is just a range, right?
Huh?
Yeah, support is just a range.
Yeah. I don't know. I see 150 as a support.
Yeah, that's what I see. Yeah, I see 150. Yeah, all the way down there.
Not gonna happen today, but
You never know, man. You never know. Oh, by the way, LFMD triggered, and now here's the follow through bar.
oh wow, yeah.
See, there's the Momo entry right there. You put your stop above the previous bar's high. Because it triggered through the low and it closed. That's the first time it's triggered through the low and closed. So you're in it. You're already in it on this bar.
We
You're
did know
probably
that.
up about 1 R now, and you can move your stop to break even.
Oh. Well,
That's how the Momo style works. It's really cool.
but that bar is so small though. Will you still
Oh,
want
I have a phone call. Talk to you guys later, okay?
one?
Alright, talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Oh, NEM.
Yeah, NEM, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this Momo move on LFMD. Here we go.
Pretty nice.
Watch, look at it's now 157 now on AMD. This is funny.
Yeah.
It's like, where's the area that tells you that that's support? There's nothing.
Well, that's the thing with the chart. It's not like, oh, fly W another level 1. That looks like a nice one.
AMD's still going, man. This is great.
So it's UPST.
Still going?
You going?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I don't trust this LFMD in this ball. The volume is increasing.
Yeah, well, that's not too bad. Doesn't mean the worst thing, as long as it doesn't take out the top of that bar. I mean, if you're in it already, your stop loss is above that bar now, and that's a break-even trade.
That's kind of an extended ball, right?
Which one? LFMD?
Yeah. Not really, but we're considering the previous candles.
Yeah, I mean, you never know. I mean,
Dang,
sometimes then, yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Alright, I took a 2-minute level 1 here. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a 2-minute. Uh-oh. I took a 1-minute level 1 accidentally on AMD. I'm going to get out of here. Small win. There we go. That was an accident. I scrolled down accidentally on instead of a 2-minute chart, I had a 1-minute chart, and I just took a level 1 on it. That's really aggressive. So I made like $3.
Nice.
Yeah. You know, I mean, look at this LFMD. This is something to look at later on. I mean, this is a perfect example of it breaks the low with a strong close, then you follow through the next bar. Now you're up, couple R units, raise your stop loss, lower your stop loss to the top of this bar. If this volume comes in and the next bar can't go, then, there's no harm, no foul. You could always take a partial too. Alright, so now AMD, I think, triggered a 2 minute. Yeah. Here's that 2 minute. Doing it again for a little bit of scalping. Let's see if we can get the 5 minute to trigger here. Here's the 5 minute. Here we go. Come on, 5 minute. Gonna get out. There we go. 5 minute. I'm gonna get back in. And here we go. Here goes 5 minute. Back up to the 8 would be nice. Come on. No, this is not good. Come on. Get the push. Get the push, AMD. Just to the 8, and then I'll reshort you. There we go. Come on, AMD. Go. There we go. You took AMD with me?
No, I tried to do that Momo on LFMD, the kind of thing pretty, no.
Oh.
I put it really tight on that one. Might be, AMD looks good.
Yeah, I just took a level 1 here on the 5 minute, which is a better ideal move. My target's literally just going to be 159.70.
Yeah.
Around there. And that's going to be it for me for right now. I think that's it. Look at, I want to point out something to you as well. It's around 10:30 is the reversal time.
Mm-hmm.
So if the stock hasn't bounced, it's been going down, that usually you could expect around 10:30 it's going to happen. And, so basically we went a little bit past 10:30 and we found support around 10:55. And now here's that bounce. I'm thinking we bounce would be really beautiful, which I don't think is going to happen, but would be really beautiful if we bounce all the way up into like a mirror zone around 161.
Yeah.
And then we can reshort it. I have a feeling this is just 2 weeks, so yeah, time to get out. All right, I'm done for the day.
Yeah. I guess so.
I'm gonna re-enter those short on HIMs later on. Look at this consolidation right here at the lows.
Yeah.
I'll do the same thing that LFMD did. Basically, wait for it to close, and then take the next entry. Let me close down my platform here. Tell you one thing, I'm definitely better at taking short setups. I'm looking at the long setups, didn't have that many today. Could just because the market, also the ones that were triggering long, I didn't have confidence in because they weren't gapping. The only ones that triggered long were that one that you mentioned that you were thinking about going short.
Sharp was on gap though.
Yeah, that was good.
I took a lot on it, and that SSOM, I think, overall loss on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seemed like a lot of my long aren't working that great usually.
Yeah. Close it down.
But my KSS on the swing is working pretty good.
Oh, nice.
I might take a partial here at the 8 on the daily.
Okay.
What's it gonna do here?
Here comes AMD. Still going up. Looks like you want to squeeze it up a little bit. AMD. A little bit higher. Let's see if we can get a little bit through this little spot here to the upside. Come on, AMD, let's go. Let's spike it. Let's spike it.
Oh. Costco long on a swing trade.
Okay.
Oh, AMD going back up. Nice.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Up through this, almost at the 8. Come on, AMD. Alright. Well, all in all, on AMD I made $5 through those two little setups, so half an hour on each one, and then. Hi, buddy. Thank you, young. Alright, man. Well, take care. I will probably check out the chat a little later.
Alright. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Hey, Deanna. How you doing?
Oh, pretty good. I'm just watching here. Just watching.
Cool. How did it go so far?
So I'm down 2 hours,
Okay, not bad.
but just
Was that from what stocks?
EOLS.
Yeah, correct.
Which one? Sorry.
OLS.
OLS. Okay, let's take a look.
No, no.
ETA took that.
Yeah, EOLS, the one I took. Which,
Oh.
yeah.
EOLS. Okay, EOLS. Okay, yeah. Okay, so where was your stop loss? I'm just wondering.
So yeah, so the first trade that I took was let me open that EOLS real quick. EOLS. It was a Momo style trade on the level 2 under the lower day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Took that, and then I got off a small little loss here. And then I took the level 1 at 10.10.
Yep.
Oh, 10.10. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
And
And
I
that
got out.
moved down a little bit, and then you could get out, kind of break even as well, right?
It was a tiny loss in that one. So in total, it was a 1 hour loss on EOLS, and then I took an IWM short.
And that was 2 trades too. So basically, like a half an hour loss on each one around there.
Correct.
Okay.
And then I took an IWM short at 10:30.
IWM. Okay. Now the thing with IWM, right? IWM's doing an inside day.
Yeah.
Okay. So and then 10:30. Let's see.
Yeah, I figured we could probably test, like the 200. It looked at, yeah, but
Oh, I see. Yeah, 10:30, and it broke underneath. Yeah, I see. Okay. Now, interesting that the bar that happened beforehand didn't close underneath that pivot, right?
no.
And so then you took the next bar. So that's kind of like sort of like from the top of the pivot to the bottom of the pivot. Sort of like a big move already. Like if you think about it, like if you took a line and you drew it from the top at $220 and move it all the way down to your entry, right, 219.55, you don't really have much consolidation at that low,
Yeah, you're right. You're
So it's
right.
kind of like what I've done before, where it's like I see this move, I jump in. I think if it closed strong and did a strong close, then I think jumping in the next bar would have been okay. But yeah, I think I see the error of this. I think, which is basically no consolidation at the low.
Oh, NEM. Finally dropping.
NEM. Oh, nice! Look at that level 1. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Let's see if this okay.
I think back down to the VWAP. Back down
Yeah.
to 67, 90 something, 99.
Couldn't wait for this candle to finish first.
Yeah. Okay, so that was that, and then those were the trades that kind of.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah. So for me, I had
What do you think about EOLS now?
which one? EOLS.
Yeah.
Let me take a look again. Well, it's closing strong underneath the 8, the 20, and the VWAP. I guess you got how many more seconds before it's done? Let's see.
Oh my God, LFMD is dropping fast right now.
Remember that one? I told you.
That doji bar is like I should have just jumped in, but I'm like, let me wait for this candle to close. And now it just
LFMD. Yep. Okay, so Deanna, look at this LFMD.
We can do Momo on it.
I was telling TA about this.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the bar. Tell me like, do you see at 10:50 the bar that closes strong underneath the whole low of day? Well, actually, first look at 10:05. See how that bar didn't close strong?
Yeah.
All right, so to short that, right? Obviously, that's, in the morning sometimes you don't need to wait for a bar to close strong, but later in the day, I think it's important. And look at this. At 10:50, I was telling TA, we were looking at this together. I said, oh, this bar closed strong, so you could go in after 10:50, the 10:55 bar, and then we got this big move. We got a bar, and then right there, you just move your stop loss down to break even, and then we're getting another bar down. So basically, that's what I'd say. Just wait for it. Look at these, Momo entries are really great when you have this many bars already moving down into your entry.
Yeah.
It seems to be a lot. Also, the bars are narrow, and so that's good too. Let's see what happened to Hims here. Oh, I think Hims is going to be a nice extra trade here to the downside. Looks beautiful. I could see it back down to 46.61, but maybe not today. We'll see. And then AMD, I'm hoping comes back up into the mirror zone. That would be beautiful, right? If AMD gets all the way back up into 161.50, around there at the 20 period moving average and VWAP, and we get that level 1 there, and you can target the low day again, that's going to be beautiful. So I'm just setting some alerts here. Let's see what happened to Fun. Fun's nothing. And then you guys are thinking EOLS. Yeah, here's that it's going. Thierry, did you jump in? Because it closed underneath the 8 to 20 to VWAP.
Yeah, I'm being chicken. I don't know.
I am too. I don't like the prior price action.
Yeah. But I jumped into NEM though.
But it looks good. Oh, NEM, cool. You did that short?
Yeah, Momo style, even though it's not a Momo strategy.
Nice. Oh my gosh. Well, that level 1 is gorgeous though. If you're taking the level 1, look at the stop. Look at how tight your stop loss is.
Yeah.
That's like the first bar in itself gives you about a 2.5 R.
Yeah.
And right here, you're about 3 R up on a trade. So that's like a 3 R trade in 2 5-minute bars off that tiny little doji.
Yeah.
That's what my favorite. When I asked ChatGPT, which has the highest win rate and the best R to R, it said counter trend trades. It said basically this.
Yeah.
And it's true. Look at you in 2 bars, you made a 3 R win, whereas on what was that the LFMD or whatever.
There you go, Hims.
Oh no way! Really? It's going without me?
Yeah. Breaking level 3.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Beautiful. And if it closes strong, it add to it. Oh yeah. So there's the level 3 break. Let's see if it closes strong, and then we can jump into the next bar. This will probably be my last trade because I don't want to keep doing anything else right now. Let's see, AMD. AMD almost looks like it's going to fail here at the 8, which is kind of crazy. It's already moved down quite a lot. Hims. Yeah, Hims looks good. Alright guys, well, if Hims gets underneath this pivot and closes, it could be pretty nice. How'd you do on NEM?
Yeah, pretty good.
Nice.
I took a partial already at the 20, so.
Yeah, that's a good spot. You don't want to get greedy with that trade.
Yeah.
That's a strong move too.
And I'm thinking about Momo on Hims if it's close strong.
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, if that happens, I'm gonna definitely Momo. I'm just gonna put the whole account on. I gotta not have my expectations because this one you never know, right? Hams can get right back over the VWAP, consolidate, go green on the day, shoot up over yesterday's high. I mean, I have to remember that, like, really, even though things are unlikely to happen, they can happen. And those are the things that really can get you in trouble. Is not preparing for the things that are totally random in the market that could totally take place and really, really cause some damage. I think that Hams needs that 20 to catch up to price, but it looks beautiful as far as, consolidation and going sideways here. Let's see. AMD. Yeah, AMD is just going up a little bit more. Looks like it wants to go up a little bit more, but you never know. I think AMD at 61.58.
So Lynn's theory was right. It is support.
Oh yeah, did it find support at where she said?
I guess so.
I thought she said it was 158.
I mean, it's not exactly, you know what I mean? Like support zone,
Yeah.
not really a.
Oh, Hem's looking better.
Should I Momo in or?
Yeah, I mean, if it triggers. Right now, it just keeps bouncing at this spot, but I think eventually the buyers are going to give up. At least I hope. I hope the buyers will give up. You never know. It could keep going. Looks pretty good. I love that it had a bottoming tail here too, and it tried to go lower. It created this bottoming tail, so the bottoming tail breaks and we get a close underneath that. That's another confirmation because that's a break of the pivot and a close underneath the pivot in 2 candles. And honestly, I think Hams yesterday was a very big telling sign about the stock possibly changing its trend.
Yeah.
Because it's been staying above this 20-period moving average for a little while. And I think when it reported the earnings that weren't very good and gapped to the 20, I think the people that were long-term holders said, okay, I'm going to buy this again, and they started feeling lucky, but now today they're not feeling lucky. I mean, this is a level 1 with a huge topping tail from yesterday, and support is all the way down at like 46. And maybe even lower, maybe even down at the 200-period moving average, which is around $40. So, I mean, we got like a $10 move. And another good thing about Hams is it tried to go higher in the morning and could not close above that. It couldn't win the VWAP, So it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks pretty nice. AMD is still kind of trying to go up here. I like AMD too for a short eventually. But I think it's AMD's going to be one of those fun ones that screws everyone around for a little while. Yeah, it's going to need to trap some buyers first. Get some liquidity here. Get some buyers interested in it. Pop it up, and then we'll see what happens. What happened to the NEM? Did it bounce at the VWAP?
No, it's kind of staying there right now.
Oh, wow. Just imagine if this crosses underneath the 8 to 20 and then sets up a short.
Yeah.
And then the stock even turns red on the day. And then basically the day turns into a new high failure in a couple days. That's going to be nuts. Let's see what happens here. Him's looking better, guys.
Yeah.
Let's see what happened to LFMD. LFMD. Pretty nice consolidation now. Another consolidation. So underneath this, more downside. Yeah, this could get down to like $5 today. Ham's looking great. Oh my gosh. This ham's gonna trade off into the depths. I have a feeling Hams will come back, hit the 20, and then go lower. But we'll see. It is looking like it wants to go lower right now.
Want some ketchup or something?
Alright. Let's see here.
Oh, here comes Hims.
Yeah. Hims.
Gotta close under that low.
All right. Here we go. Let's do it.
Oh, interesting. The market's going up.
Oh, interesting. Market's going up and Him's going down. That's not a bad sign. Oh wow, that AMD, that level 1 worked great. Jeez.
I know, right?
Oh, Hims, here you go.
Here we go. Sweet. Right. All right, guys. I gotta make a few phone calls, but I'll be back and we'll check in on him to see how it did. Keep an eye on AMD for later too. Up at this VWAP or 20, could be a nice little short here too.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Him's working pretty good.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the Momo in about 30 seconds.
All right, sounds good. Yeah, we're almost there at this level.
Alright, guys. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I'm
Sounds
done.
good.
I'm done for the day too.
Alright, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, you too. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye guys.